Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss the questions number 32 in our DBMS question series. The same scenario of question set number 31 here. The first question says create a product table to store product informations. To do so, use the instructions below. Okay. We have created our database in question set number 31. Uh, so table name is product, and the first column name is product ID, and the data type is int, and it should be primary key and auto increment. And second column name is product name. Vacha is the data type and the length is 45. And the last column name is description. Data type is text. Data type is text. Length is 100. Okay. The second question says create a table called brand to store product brands. To do so, use these instructions below. So here we have to create a brand table. So here first name is brand ID, data type is int, and it should be primary key and auto increment. And second column name is brand name, data type is watch, and the length is 45. Okay, we have created the brand table also. The third question says create a table called GRN to store bill details provided by suppliers when selling inventory to the store. To do so, use the instructions below. So here we have to use we have to create a table called GRN. First column name is GRN ID, data type is int, and it should be primary and auto increment. Second column name is GRN date, data type is watch, and the length is uh, so uh, GRN date, the data type is date and time. Okay. After that, the fourth question says create a table called GRN item to store information about the quantities of goods supplied to the store by suppliers. To do so, use the instructions below. So here we have to create a table called GRN item. First column name is quantity, and the data type is int. Second column name is unit price. Second column name is unit price. The data type is double. The last column name is selling price. and the data type is double. Okay, we have created our GRN item table also. And the fifth question says create a table called stock to store information about the quantities of items currently available for sale in the store. To do so, use the instructions below. So here we have to create a table. Table name is stock, and the first column name is stock ID. The first column name is stock ID and the data type is int. It should be primary key and the auto increment. And the last question, uh, and the column name is next one is quantity. Data type is int. And the last one is selling price. Okay, we have created the stock table also. Selling price is double. After that, we have to create a table called invoice to store the bill details provided to the customers when purchasing goods from the store. To do so, use the instructions below. So we have to create another table. Table name is invoice. First column name is invoice ID. Invoice ID data type is int, and it should be primary key either and auto increment. And the next column name is date. The data type is date and time. Okay. After that, the seventh question says create a table called invoice item to store the details of the goods given to the customers after purchasing the goods from the store. To do so, use the instructions below. So here we have to create a table called invoice item. The first column name is invoice item ID. Invoice item ID data type is int and primary key and the auto increment. And the last column name is quantity. Data type is int. Okay. So these are the requirements of question set number 32. We'll meet from the question set number 33. Thank you.